Introduction of 3 bills by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah in the Lok Sabha, which aim to reform the criminal justice system of India by replacing the existing laws that were enacted during the British rule. Here are some more details and facts about the topic. The 3 bills are the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita Bill, 2023, the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Bill, 2023, and the Bharatiya Saksha Bill, 2023. They are intended to replace the Indian Penal Code, IPC, 1860, the Code of Criminal Procedure, CRPC, 1898, and the Indian Evidence Act, 1872, respectively to the power of 1 squared cubed. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita Bill, 2023 is the main bill that defines various offences and prescribes punishments for them. It proposes to repeal the sedition law, which has been widely criticised as a colonial relic that curbs free speech and dissent to the power of 1 squared. It also introduces a new offence of acts of secession, armed rebellion, subversive activities, separatist activities, or endangering sovereignty or unity and integrity of India with a maximum punishment of life imprisonment to the power of 1 squared. The Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Bill, 2023 is the bill that lays down the procedure for investigation, trial, and appeal of criminal cases. It proposes to make the process more efficient, transparent, and victim-friendly. It also provides for special courts for offences against women and children, mob lynching, cybercrimes, and economic offences to the power of 1 squared. The Bharatiya Saksha Bill, 2023 is the bill that deals with the admissibility and relevance of evidence in criminal cases. It proposes to update the rules of evidence to incorporate modern technology and scientific methods. It also provides for protection of witnesses and whistleblowers to the power of 1 squared. Amit Shah said that these bills are aimed at establishing a system focused on justice, not punishment, and reflect the aspirations of a new India that is free from the legacy of colonial rule to the power of 1 squared. He also said that these bills will be sent to a Parliamentary Standing Committee for detailed scrutiny and consultation before being passed by both Houses of Parliament to the power of 1 squared. These bills are intended to have a positive impact on the common people by reforming the criminal justice system and making it more efficient, fair, and transparent. Some of the possible effects of these bills are: the common people will have access to faster and cheaper justice, as the bills propose to set timelines for investigation, trial, and appeal of criminal cases, limit adjournments, introduce summary trials for petty offences, and provide legal aid to the poor to the power of 1 squared cubed. The common people will have more protection and relief as victims of crime, as the bills propose to provide compensation, rehabilitation, and witness protection to them, as well as ensure their dignity and privacy during the legal process to the power of 1 squared cubed. The common people will have more freedom of expression and dissent, as the bills propose to repeal the sedition law, which has been widely criticised as a colonial relic that curbs free speech and dissent to the power of 1 squared cubed. The common people will have more security and safety from crimes, especially those against women and children, as the bills propose to prescribe stricter punishments for offences such as rape, sexual exploitation, mob lynching, cybercrimes, and terrorism to the power of 1 squared cubed. The common people will have more trust and confidence in the police and the judiciary, as the bills propose to fix accountability of cops for arrests, ensure integrity of evidence, simplify the language of the laws, and update the rules of evidence to incorporate modern technology and scientific methods to the power of 1 squared cubed. These bills will also affect the police and judiciary in India by changing their roles, responsibilities, and powers in the criminal justice system. Some of the possible effects of these bills are: the police will have more accountability and transparency, as the bills propose to fix accountability of cops for arrests, ensure integrity of evidence, introduce body cameras and dash cams for police vehicles, and establish independent police complaints authorities. The police will have more efficiency and professionalism, as the bills propose to set timelines for investigation, limit custodial interrogation, provide training and equipment to the police, and create specialized units for cybercrimes, economic offenses, and terrorism. The judiciary will have more speed and accessibility, as the bills propose to limit adjournments, introduce summary trials for petty offences, provide legal aid to the poor, and simplify the language of the laws. The judiciary will have more modernity and innovation, as the bills propose to update the rules of evidence to incorporate modern technology and scientific methods, such as DNA testing, biometrics, digital forensics, and video conferencing.